Hi, everyone. Today's lesson is the Mercedes CLS. This is the tool needed for disassembly. We see the needs to prepare. First, we remove the passenger door panel. Then loosen the fixing screws under the panel. And loosen this screw in the locker. Next, we unscrew the two screws holding the original screen. And then remove the screen and unplug all the wires. Now we remove the air vent panels from the original car. Special attention, the disassembly of this buckle is more complicated. We need to use the tool to open the buckle up in order to remove the outlet. Take off the base. Then unscrew the two screws and take out the main engine. Now we unplug the side and its power plug with the fiber cable. We unscrew these four screws and remove the support frame of the original car screen. Now attach the metal frame for the new screen. Then attach the plastic base of the new screen. Thread the white end of the new power supply from the host to the plastic base here. Connect the hard wire. Connect the optical fiber to the new power cable. Then plug in the host. Then the other end of the new power cord is connected to the original car power supply. Next, we connect the AUX plug to the USB AUX box. Then connect the other end to the USB port of the original car. Insert the side plug and reinstall the two screws. Okay, now we reconnect the wire of the air outlet and install it to fix all the screws. We will connect the LVDS plug of the new screen to the white power supply. Then remove the metal clasp from the original support frame and attach it to the new base. Then fix the new screen. The installation has been completed. Let's debug the USB AUX box first. Enter the original car system. Select sound settings. Select USB AUX. Then we play the Sony's sound. Bluetooth phone support. We can also use the steering wheel to control the screen. Support door reminder. Support the original car reversing image. You can synchronize air conditioner information. Support for electronic dashboards. You can watch a movie during your break. You can use the map to navigate anywhere. With support for wireless Carplay, you can use voice assistants, make phone calls, listen to music, navigate using maps, and more. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.